Okay. Hope you people can see my screen. Hello.
Yes.
Right. So now next topic is so I told you, right? The first topic that we have to discuss is geographies, right? Correct. So whenever you are coming to this place, when you are going to implement newly, okay, if you are going to implement very freshly for this environment, when you are coming and seeing over there, you will find nothing over here. So we find nothing. It's taking some time. Wait. You find nothing over here. You only supposed to load all these things. You only supposed to load all these things. In order to load all these geographic structures, in order to load all these geographies, if I am clicking on any one of the country, see, okay, just to choose this country, come here, you see the geographic structure. That's it. Once again. Hierarchy is not able to see. See. What I'm trying to explain over here is whenever you are coming over there, geographies, you won't find any geographies over there. Geographies in the sense, see, it's a longitude and latitude. Okay. Longitude, latitude representation of any area is called as geography. Okay. So now these geography structures are maintained by, okay, vertex or Nokia. Okay. So Vertex and Nokia is these two are the vendors for the Oracle. So whenever you want to load this geography structures, whenever you want to load these geography structures, only that what you have to do in the sense, you have to raise an SR with Oracle. Oracle will take care of this one. Arc from the Vertex or Nokia, they will load this one. Okay. So as these two all are the vendors. Now, once they loaded this one, once they were loaded this one, suppose example, they are already loaded. Okay. For any one of the country. But you are not satisfied with that one. Okay. Means we have the concept called geography structure as well as geography hierarchy. Means geography structure in the sense, suppose example, one country is there. Okay, let me explain it to you very in detail. Okay. One country is there. Okay, suppose example, any country. So a geography structure in the sense, country, under the country, state, under the state, uh, under the state, what we can call
City.
district, under the district, we can call mandal, under the mandal, village, under the village, pin code. Correct. This is called as structure. We are structurizing. What is this hierarchy? Okay. What is the hierarchy that we are following for any certain country? Suppose example, that hierarchy is India. Under the India, Telangana. Okay. District we can write Rangareddy. Mandal also Rangareddy, right? Okay. So now, okay. What we can write any village. Any village you can write. Pin code you can write 500056, something like that. And all. So this is called as geography. So why Raghu? Why this one we need to discuss? So initially this Nokia and Vertex will Nokia or else Vertex. Okay, just follow what I'm trying to explain. Whenever you are landing on this page, you can see nothing over here. You see nothing over here. Okay, these things, how these things will come? You have to, there is a concept called, you have to raise an SR. These people will take care of this one. Who all are Vertex or Nokia? These all are the vendors to the Oracle. They will have, they will maintain this longitude, latitude related all the information, and they will take care of this one loading. Okay, so or else we to have one option called FBDA. Okay, no need of these things. I'm just giving you a just knowledge purpose. File-based data integration. We have a concept. They will provide a file. They will provide a file to us. Then we have to load that file. This is also another concept. Okay. And then when this concept comes into the place, if you are not satisfied with the Vertex and Nokia, whatever the file they send, provide to us, if you are not satisfied with that one, you want more, you want something else you want to create over there, then you can create, then you can do all these things also. Suppose example, I am taking any one country. Over here, see, just create, manage geography structure. Okay, first of all, over here you can observe, sir. Over here you can observe, first of all, import geography data is not there, right? Manage geography validation is not there, right? Create a country is not there, right? Why? Why it is not there? Why? Because import geography data we are already imported, na? We are already imported. Then that option is faded. Okay. Now, now, what is the other option that we have? Already loaded countries are there, right? Come here. One second. One second. Okay. So what I have done, I just created for this country, I just clicked on geography structure. Once you observe over here, see country, region, province, city, address line. These all are coming, right? Just click on cancel. Geography hierarchy. Okay. Then click on this one. Click on this one. speak. One. Taking some time. 1 second. Let me log into others. See, and one more thing, if you don't know anything, if you don't know full task name also, you can search in this way. You know, right? If you don't know anything, then you can search in this way also. See, if you don't know suffix or prefix, you can manage by using percentage. Click on blank search. Why it is coming in this way? Mhm. Mhm. This is a super. See, it is working. So, why it is not happening for other country in the sense for that question, my answer is like maybe this environment is used by so many people, right? It's using. So there might be a data discrepancy or data issue. What I can say is, so suppose example, I'm choosing one country. First, this country is already loaded. Hope you're understanding what I'm trying to explain. This country is already loaded. But if you are not satisfied with this country geography, you want to maintain some extra, then you have to click on actions, choose that one, click on over here, choose that one, click on geography structure. Over here, you can choose. See, over here, the structure is state, country, town. I want to add more. I want to add more. So in the list of values, you can see so many things over here. Okay, you can create, you can township like this, and you can add it to this one. Then eighth number will be added. See, and your question is, Raghu, I want to create a new one. I want to create a new one. Why it is coming in this way? I want to create a new one and add it to the tree. And you can even add this one also. You can do it in this way also. Save and close. Then it will be added to the list of values. See? What is happening? Directly it is added. Good. I'm just saving and closing. See over here, observe. State, country, town, zip, village, area, and you and just save and close. Okay. Hope you are understanding. Hello. Clear, right? What I'm trying to explain?
Yeah.
Srinu. Yeah. Maybe same data is accessing by some other people. That's the reason it is coming in this way. It is not the expected behavior. If you are practicing over there, it will over here you can add multiple, what I can say, geography structures also you can create. And just I'm creating save and close. You just remember state over. Now coming to, I'm just clicking on geography hierarchy. Once you observe over here, okay, take any country. Okay. Okay. You just observe over here. And like over here itself in Haryana, okay, I'm just coming, create, just to create, click on create. Okay. Now, come. See, under Haryana, what is coming over here? Under Haryana, if I am choosing Haryana and what I have done, I just clicked on edit. I just clicked on create, or what I can say, this one. Now come down over here. I'm not provided anything. Am I provided country over here? Hello. Am I choose anything country option over here? No, right? Automatically it is taken this country, right? From where it is taken? Hello.
Hierarchy.
Hope you people are understanding.
Yeah.
Let me show it to you. In India, if I am going there and clicking on high geography structure, under the state country is coming, right? Hello. This is what they are created the structure. So that's why when I am creating a new thing under this Haryana state, country is coming. Okay. And go here, choose this Rangareddy and come here, create a new one. Under the Rangareddy, I'm giving something like anything. Test.
Hi Raghu, sorry to interrupt.
Please. Let me complete this one. Then you can ask questions.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Under Haryana and under Rangareddy, I created another thing. Okay. Whenever I'm creating another thing, it is coming as town. What is that, sir? Third one is town only, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are
Yes.
understanding. So
Yeah,
if I'm
yeah.
creating a new thing, under this town, what should be the expected one? Zip code only or not?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So one more point, you just observe it over here. You can create zip code and village and everything under. Once you observe over here, sir, whatever we are created, I will show it to you. Fastly, I will create and I will show it to you. Okay. See, zip code it is coming. And come here under the zip code. Click on under the zip code. Okay, village. Come to the village. Say click on. Now what is coming over here? Village is coming, right? Under the village area is coming, right? Choose this one and create. Under village, save and close. New gully. Okay, save and close. And come down. Choose this one. What happened? See, under new gully, town test 17 is created, right? So under town test 17, I'm trying to create another one. It is not accepting, right? Why? Because under this one, nothing is there. See, over here, you are able to just refresh this one, This into symbol will be vanished. Okay, just to click on cancel. Whatever you created till now, just in the hierarchy, click on done. Then it will be saved. Click on done. Now come here, click on done. Done. Again, global search. Under manage geographies. Okay, coming to the structure. Hope you observed. Earlier it is, we are able to delete this one. Now, are you able to delete this town test 17? Hello.
No.
Why? Why? Because this town test 17 under this structure, I already created one hierarchy. I used this structure in order to create one hierarchy. So that's the reason you can't create. And under the town test, are you able to create any new hierarchy? Hierarchy in the sense names, each state-wise names. Structure in the sense, what is the structure that we supposed to follow? Okay. So these things we will do if you are not satisfied with the FBDA file and Vertex and Nokia geographies that they will load, then you can go ahead and you can do this one. Yeah, now I can take the question. What is the question?
Yeah, Raghu, like is country and county both are same? Because like
Country.
after state they have given county.
No. That is your wish. Whatever the structure I'm given, right? What is the structure I'm given to you, right? It's just an example. Test, county, like that and all. Hope you got.
Okay, Raghu.
It's just an example. You can give XYZ, you can give ABC like that and all. It's just an example. You should know this functionality so that if the you have to explain to the business on this.
Okay, Raghu.
Yeah, Raghu, if you want to remove that whatever it is that we have created. So
Hmm.
then how it is will be possible?
So if you
Because
want to delete that structure, first you have to delete this hierarchy.
okay,
You used that hierarchy structure, the test 17, that structure you used in the hierarchy, right? First, we
yeah,
have to
because
remove that structure.
yeah, yes, yes, but we
Structure,
don't know, right, who are all using that
yeah, that's what.
structure.
That's what. That's what. So who all are used that one, then we have to have that report in handy. Then only we have to delete that one. Then only we have to delete that structure.
Okay, where can we get that report? Maybe we are
Sorry,
the
again.
people. No,
Sorry.
where can we get that report? We are the people will get the report, or
No, no, no. Where we can get this report in the sense you have to write one SQL query in order to get those reports and all.
okay, or else other teams, maybe tech team will be helpful.
Yeah, tech team will be helpful to you.
Okay.
Hope you understood. You can do practice for remaining all these things also. Now, next thing is, yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So once after completed this one, and let me just doing the global search. Okay. Just clicking on load. See, if you're doing, see what I'm doing, sir. I'm just clicking on load geographies. Load geographies. I'm just clicking on load geographies. Once you observe over here, you are getting separate tasks for Canada, Mexico, and US. Hello. You are getting separate tasks for Canada, US, and Mexico. Why? Why these? So why Arkle is providing only for these countries separately? Separately, there is a task to load for these countries. Why not for all the countries? And one more question is why Arkle is not provided this? Why Arkle is not provided provision to us to load directly from this setup and maintenance? My question over here is load geographies for all the countries, not specific to one country. If the Oracle is provided this one, then we can come over here and we can do the loading, right? Why? Oracle is provided from there. You have to raise an SR and you have to communicate with the Vertex or Nokia. They will load that one. Then after loading that one by vendors, you have a provision to load Canada and Mexico, US separately. Why? Means 2 points over here. Mexico and US, Canada, for these countries, longitude, latitude related area continuously changes. That's the first point. And second point is ARC and Raghu. Why only for these countries only it changes? Remaining so many countries are there. For them also, for those countries also it is changes very uh, repeatedly. Why only for these countries? Means the answer is Arkle supports Canada and Mexico and US proactively and UK also. For these countries, Oracle supports and provides their service very huge. You can, here I will make a sentence over here. In ARC in USA, our Fusion HCM will take nearly 70 to 80% of the market. Remaining 20%, remaining 70% I can say, 65 to 70. Remaining 35% market will be shared by Workday or else Success Factors or some other tools are there, right? ADP or something and all. So remaining other tools will or other ERPs will take. I'm saying only for the HCM. Fusion supports HCM very proactively to compare with other domains like financials and procurement, supply chain management. Okay, that is out of the topic. Yeah. So now, how to, Raghu, once it is completed, how to load Canada and these things? So first of all, my answer is it is already loaded, sir. For Canada and all these countries, it is already loaded. See, it is already loaded, sir. But why over here for Canada? Okay, come here just to click on this one. See, once it is already loaded, but the thing is there might be a changes happens very repeatedly. For that one, you have to come down over here. Just click on any one of this. Click on this one. See, I'm just clicking and selecting first one. Okay, once it. Okay, see, valid input parameters over here it is getting. Okay, see, if once I clicked on this one, the data source already by default it is coming. See, vertex. The file, it is already there. File name. Are you created any file? Are you created any file over here? No, right? Are you chosen any data source? No. From the data source vertex, it is already there. Okay. So now what you have to do, you can submit this process or else you can schedule this process also. Schedule in the sense, okay, every day that you can schedule, or else if you want every day repeatedly, frequency we can keep every day, 3 times a day or 4 times a day that you can schedule, or else once in a while. Means whenever you are coming, I don't want to schedule right away. I want to schedule this one for the night, for the PM. Okay. At the night time, I want to schedule this one. Why? Because everyone uses this one, right? In the daytime, you can do like that. Then and over here notification will be there. Then you can click on place for whom that you want to get this notification. User email ID. If you are working in organization, you can give this one. At what condition that you want? On success or on warning or else any error. You can keep all the scenarios also. And you can keep and just submit. Okay, don't submit, sir. It will makes your system slow. Don't submit any processes. You just try to understand up to submission of process. Okay. Now you understood, right? Whatever what we have done. Over here, we are loading the data, geographic data. Why we are loading this geographic data? To get the perfect geographical information for the Canada and Mexico and USA. Only for these countries, Oracle provides support very proactively. Want to know what is the regions in that scenario? We are having this Canada and these 3 countries. Okay, and yeah, any doubts over here?
Yeah, for other countries, how can we? Is there any other request we have
If
to raise?
you want to load for the other countries, if you want to load for other countries, if any geographical changes are occurred that you noticed that some geography changes are occurred, then you have to raise an SR and Oracle will provide those files in FMDA, file-based data integration. You have to load that file or else you have to hand over your system for the certain period of time. Like Oracle will take over your production system for a couple of half an hour or 1 hour. At that time, no login will. There is no login for the end users and developers. At that period of time, Oracle will do this update of patch. Got it, Akhil?
Yes, yes. If we want to load from that FMDF file, then how can we load the
If you want to load,
with that file, whichever you are where they are provided, right? FMDF.
there is a process. Our technical people will take care of.
Okay, okay,
There is a inbound integration we call it as.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? No, right? Hello. Okay, good. Now coming to I want to show it to you something over here. Okay. Hope you know in the first class I explained to you everything. Yeah. This is I'm explained regarding this one. This instance look and feel, outside look and feel. No, right? If I'm explained, if you forgot also, I'm explaining. See, over here we call it this one as a banner. Okay, this one is a banner. This one is navigator. In this navigator, you will get everything. Everything, whatever is available over here. Sales service me is there, right? See, sales service me. Over here, what? Under the sales, workforce, workspace, and activities. Under the sales, workspace, and activities. So, what it means? It means this is the instance actually. From here, you will get everything. Clear? This is a navigator to navigate. If anything is available, if anything is not available over here, then you have to come down over here. Why? See, I'm just clicking on my group and clicking on plus. Clicking on plus symbol. See, over here, once observe over here, under me, these all are the options are available from the navigator. But whatever you want to checkbox, those things only will be available in the tiles. Okay, got it. So if anything is not available, you have to come down and you have to checkbox. Then it will be available under your not under your WhatsApp Springboard. Okay, save and close. This one, totally this one is called as Springboard. Okay, now under this one, what is this one? This is quick actions. See, my group under quick actions. If I am clicking on show more, see, my group is there. Under my group, new person is there, right? Let me explain. I will show it to you. Under my group, what I have done? Under my group, I just clicked on quick actions. Under the quick actions, I just clicked on show more. Over there, under the new person, I am able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I am going directly, not from the quick actions and show more. If I'm clicking on directly new person, over here you can see same things. Then your question is, what is the difference between this one and this one? This one, whatever you are able to see from the quick actions and show more is called as RUI. Okay. Responsive user interface. Okay. And these things all are you can even able to access from your mobile also. You can even access from your mobile. And even you can, what I can say, apply leaves and fill the time cards and everything that you can do it from the mobile or tab also. Then classic pages, no. Okay. Now coming back over here. Okay. Now this is global search. If you want to do any search globally that you can do, you can search for the people or actions and everything. Trust me, 99.99% we won't do from here. If you want to search, you can search the employees from person management. From person management, you can search it over here. Okay. Now coming to this is home page from wherever the page that you are, just like a mobile, you can come, you can directly comes and it will directly navigates you to home page. Okay. This is favorite recent items. You can keep favorite recent items. Okay. These all are the items that I recently used. You can keep it as a favorite items. Just now I searched for the person, right? And new person, right? These all are the these all are the things that you can keep it as a favorite. Okay. Okay. No need. This one is, this is a notifications. Whenever you are getting the notifications in the sense like your report is applied for in absence. These type of notifications that you will get from over here. Okay. Then now just click on over here. This is settings and actions. From here only we are continuously going where? Setup and maintenance. Okay. Setup and maintenance. From this setup and maintenance, from here, again we are going for the global search. There we are searching task list, business objects, right? These all are the task list. These all are the task list. These all are the task list. Now, coming to, I want to explain this one. See, I want to explain it to you. What all are these things all are, see, I can set the options. I can set the options in setup and maintenance. In the setup and maintenance. In the search. In the global search, I'm clicking on options. I'm able to find so many options over here. Now, I'm just coming over here in workforce development. I'm just clicking on search. Am I able to get these options, get this task, sir? Hello? Am I able to get this task, team? No, right?
No.
If I am clicking on workforce deployment, then I'm searching this one. I'm able to get that one, right? Related to options. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right? So now what I'm trying to explain is click on just go to offerings. Go to offerings. Once you got the system, what happened? See, I just came up over here, customer management, data management. Hello, hope you're understanding. Just say yes or no so that I can move ahead. Are you following what I'm trying to explain?
Yeah.
See, what I'm trying to explain is in future classes, we will go and we will explain absence, and absence related tasks are not available in the workforce development, but it is not available, right? But it is available in workforce deployment. Then this environment is the agreement, like I am a consultant. There is an agreement with the Tata Group that I supposed to do the implementation related to absence. Then I can take the subscription to the workforce deployment. That's enough, right? Hello? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No need to take other offerings. So offerings in the sense, there are so many offerings are there, see. From there, workforce deployment and workforce development, and where is compensation? compensation management. These three mainly, these three only related to our Fusion HCM. Remaining all are related to, not related to Fusion HCM. Help desk, it is newly came. Procurement, all are related to other thing. But mainly 1, 2, and compensation management. So if my requirement is only absence related, then you have to take the subscription of that absence, that workforce deployment only, right? Just to click on go to offering. Workforce deploy, the work, I need only workforce deployment. I don't want workforce development. Just to click on this one. I'm just clicking on this one. What happened? Okay, options in future. Okay, see, you can disable this one. You choose opt offering already enabled if you want to continue. Do you want to continue? Okay. If I choose this one, if I if I disable this one, you are opting to the only offering related to options. But don't do these things in the instance. We are okay. So whatever the options that required, that we are opting to only those offerings only. Then click on done. Then billing related to the bill also related to this subscription will be charged accordingly from the Oracle. Hope you understood what I'm trying to explain. How many of you understood these offerings?
Raghu, can you please come again? I didn't got.
Srinu, very simple, Srinu. I am trying to implement absence for the certain country. But absence related tasks are not available in the development. For this instance, only the requirement is we have to do the implementation related to absence. But it is not, but in order to do this, what I can say, absence related development, okay, we no need workforce development. Okay, and we don't need all these offerings. Actually, we don't need all these offerings. We need only this one, workforce development. Then what we will do? We will go here and then click on workforce development is there, right? This one. Options in future. You just enable this offering only. You just enable this offering only. Remaining all the offerings you have to disable. And this one is enabled. Higher one is enabled in the sense all the things which comes under this one will be enabled. Click on done and remaining things. What are the remaining offerings are there? This offering is there. This of enterprise customer data management is there. Click on options in future. Just uncheck this one. As you don't want this offer. And you want to know what are the business objects and what are the tasks comes under this one. There is always a option. You can associate futures and what are the tasks comes under over here, so that you can analyze and you can uncheck that offering. Here, what is required for them, for those offerings only we are opting. Got it?
Yeah, Raghu.
Srinu, still
Yeah,
doubt?
yeah. No, it's clear.
Yeah. So that's it. Any doubt, Akhil and Sai Kiran?
No.
No.
Okay, super. Okay, then let me stop this recording.